Welcome to the Bonfire 100 training series. This is Bonfire 103, and in this video, we'll provide an overview of Bonfire Builder and show you how to get started creating experiences. We'll cover the basics of the visual editor, drag and drop functionality, and how to build a simple scene by creating and connecting nodes. What you see here is the default Bonfire Builder layout, your primary workspace for designing and implementing immersive content. In the center is the map editor. By default, it's set to a top-down view of your experience, where you can select, move, and modify assets. You can also switch to other camera angles, like bottom-up, north to south, east to west, and even fly cam, to inspect spark positions more accurately. In fly cam mode, you can move freely around the map. To do this, use the WASD keys to move the camera and right-click and hold to rotate the view with your mouse. Clicking the Zoom to Player icon returns the camera to your avatar's perspective. Next, there's the Map Explorer tab, a 3D view of your experience that lets you navigate as a player avatar and explore the environment in real time. In Bonfire Builder, all assets are called sparks. A spark can include 3D models, audio, UI elements, and behavior logic that defines how it interacts with the virtual world. The Spark browser displays all available sparks and is your main tool for finding and using them in your project. You can import Spark libraries from the Bonfire Assets screen or load sparks directly into the My Sparks folder. To add a spark or asset to your map, simply drag and drop it into the workspace. Similarly, the Map browser shows all available maps. It functions just like the Spark browser, but focuses on entire environments. Changing maps is just as easy. Drag one from the map browser into either the map editor or the map explorer panel. The first panel on the left is the Help panel, which contains all of Bonfire's tutorial videos. It's designed to assist you in real time as you work through your experience. Now, let's open a book I previously created in Bonfire. Projects in Bonfire are called books. Each book contains chapters, and each chapter has a map, the scene where you'll place and interact with your sparks. It's important to note, a book isn't just a file, it's an experience. In this demo book, I've set up 2 chapters. The first is an onboarding chapter, featuring an empty factory map with a billboard spark. The second is a training chapter, with a populated factory map and various interactive sparks. Keep in mind, sparks aren't limited to 3D models. They can also be audio files, UI images, light sources, or even purely logical components, like inventory systems or timers. Anything that can include behaviors. Because sparks can contain behaviors, Bonfire Builder includes a dedicated behaviors panel for configuring how sparks interact. For example, I've set a machine spark to move a box along a conveyor belt when I interact with it. If I disconnect the cause and effect link between the machine and the box, that interaction stops. Reconnecting it makes it work instantly. No compilation needed. This real-time workflow is one of Bonfire's key strengths. On the right side, the Traits panel shows the properties of the selected spark, like instance name, position, and rotation. While sparks share many traits, some have unique properties. Updating a spark's position in the Traits panel updates its location in the Map Explorer immediately. By connecting behaviors using cause and effect links, you can dynamically update sparks and build truly interactive experiences. I hope this video gives you a solid introduction to Bonfire Builder's capabilities. We've only scratched the surface, and there's so much more to discover. In the next video, we'll walk you through the process of creating your first interactive scene, your first book. See you then!